Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be starting the series on product management. So when it comes to product management, so a product is like a solution to any problem that is there in your life and you want to solve, and you come up with a solution, and that is a product to solve the problem. For example, or to provide a utility. So that is the role of products in our lives and in our civilization. So the whole process of coming up with an idea and then researching how you design it, then how do you get it to the market, then how do you evolve the product with the market, how you scale the product in the market. So at its essence, it's product management. Then it is also related to product marketing. And we're going to be having another series about product marketing as well. And in this series, we're going to be typically talking about the whole process of coming up with the product, designing a product with a human-centered perspective. Like you design with people who you are going to be building the product for. So that is called user-centered design. And so coming up with an idea, designing the product, and then managing it through its life cycle, getting it to the market, and then there's a whole product life cycle. There's an introduction phase, then there's a growth phase, and that is when your product has become successful. So I'm going to be taking you through this entire process of coming up with a product idea and then building, designing, and getting it to the market, and then managing it through its life cycle. So so that is like the whole concept of product management. And what is the typical playbook, and what are the typical roles, and what are the typical duties and responsibilities of like a product manager. So when the methodologies are concerned, there are two typical methodologies. One is design thinking. So that is a field, that is a concept in designing, which is called design thinking, and it is related to human centered design. So the whole process of how you come up with an idea, and then, like you do market research, work with teams, and designing the user interface, the user experience of a digital product or even a physical product. And then, so that whole process of designing the product is, design thinking, everything from market research to prototyping to actually coming up with the final design. And then the other methodology of how you bring that design into reality, that is called agile project management, or you can also call it agile product management. And that is like, so when you are like designing or developing a product, you have to make sure that it is evolving constantly with the needs of the market and the target audience or the target market segment. So that whole, so incorporating that aspect of being relevant to the market and being innovative while constantly managing the product through its life cycle is called agile. Agile means being flexible. Agile project or product or even program management. Program is like a number of projects being executed together as a program. So a product management involves this agile project management methodology, which we're going to be studying all of these design thinking and agile project management in detail in this video series as well. And so these are the two methodologies that are involved in product management. And then when it comes to the typical responsibilities, like the role would involve understanding user needs, understanding the product vision, aligning the product with the branding, with the mission and vision of the whole company, of the whole organization, prioritizing the features and the use cases of the product in alignment with the market needs, and then coordinating design, engineering, and marketing teams, and then measuring success metrics and outcomes through qualitative and quantitative analytics, We're going to be having an analytics series on this channel as well very soon. So just stay tuned, and you might want to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon if you want to stay tuned with the whole process of, like getting your dreams out in the world, in the market, as an entrepreneur or as a business management enthusiast, as an innovation enthusiast. So, so the whole process of product management, it involves balancing the organizational goals, the market needs, and the technical feasibility, while working with various stakeholders through leadership techniques like negotiation, conflict resolution, and getting everybody aligned towards the same vision. So, in the upcoming videos, we are going to be talking about all of these methodologies, and I'm going to be taking you through some of the products that I have worked on, I have brought to the market, including like my own entrepreneurial venture, uh, ventures product lines. And then I'm going to be also getting, by the end of the series, I'm going to be letting you know about some of uh, the most relevant certifications in the market today, which could, if you want to have like more exposure, more perspectives about the field from different people, I'm going to be listing some of the best certifications, which can really enhance your and deepen your understanding from various other perspectives apart from my own perspective as well. So that you can like just be a very expert at this field of product management. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be like, meeting you in further upcoming videos. Take care. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.